In this video, I'll show you how to reposition the sale and sold out badges on product cards in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see right here, by default, the badges are displayed at the top right corner of the product card. For this example, let's go ahead and reposition them to the top left corner right here. To make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on the online store. Then look for Horizon theme and then click on Edit theme. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Home page and then select Collections, Default Collection. Then left side of the screen, click on Theme Settings, it looks like your icon. Within Theme Settings, scroll a bit down until you find the Badges section. Let's expand it. And here's the option to change the position on cards. Let's click on Drop Down, then select Top Left. As you can notice in the preview, the badge was moved to the top left corner. Now let's save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try refreshing one of the collections. And here's the change, and this will apply to both the desktop and mobile version of the site. Let's take a look at mobile version. Let me right click, then select Inspect. Now let's switch to responsive design mode. Let's pick Galaxy S25. And that's what the product cards will look like on mobile devices. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If you want more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.